This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hey guys, Fred Up here. Welcome to my review of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. I've had the Note 10 Pro for over 2 weeks now, and I have to say I'm impressed with what this device has to offer. It's amazing and I like so many things about it. But that doesn't mean it's all flawless. I mean, nothing on earth comes without its flaws. The Note 10 Pro has some downside too. So in this video, I'm going to share my experience, my thoughts with you guys, so to help you guys make an informed decision just in case you have interest in buying one. As usual, let's start with the design and build quality. The first thing you're going to notice about it is how big it is. This is not a device that can be operated with one hand for sure. The design of the Infinix Note 10 Pro is interesting in some ways. I know a lot of people will appreciate it. As for me, I have some mixed feelings about it. It doesn't offer that striking look at a first glance. Don't get me wrong, the design is nice and it looks very okay. I feel like the design is missing that wow factor because it doesn't look too attractive. However, I like how it feels in the hand. It feels well made, and I like the matte texture on the rear that prevents it from having smudges or fingerprints all over. I'm very sure a lot of people will appreciate the effort Infinix has put on here. It is made from plastic, which is a gold standard material if you want a device in this price bracket, and also if you want something that is very durable. But if I don't tell you this device is made from plastic, you will think it is made from glass. The color that I have here is called Nordic Secret. You see, it has some secret up its sleeves. Okay, on the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner, which is ridiculously fast. The fingerprint scanner is pretty fast and I've never had any issues with it. Locking and unlocking the device is instant, and I prefer it over the non-secure face unlock. When you turn to the left, we've got a SIM tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill. On top, we have nothing. At the rear houses a quad camera setup with a quad flash and Infinix branding. The front houses a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus display with a dot-in that houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Coming from the previous device, a jump to a 1080p display is a much welcome improvement. The display is an IPS LCD panel that outputs a resolution of 1080 by 2640 with a pixels density of 387. The display is huge and sharp. It offers a massive viewing experience without any obstruction. It is fairly decent when it comes to outdoor visibility. Under direct sunlight, visibility isn't too great. It is very responsive to touch and colors looks nice. Watching YouTube videos and general media consumption is very okay on here. Okay, so if you're still curious to know what comes in the box, here you go. You have the device itself, a SIM ejector tool, a film screen protector, X Club leaflet, a dollar bill lookalike for X Club registration, a transparent silicone case, a 33 watts charger, a USB Type-C charging cable, and the earpiece, and that's pretty much it. Okay. Before we proceed, let's talk about our sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators and aspiring people who want to explore new skills and take their creative journey to the next level. There are classes for web development, graphics design, photography, film and video production, and there is something that will always suit your need. For instance, color grading is something I have been struggling with as I grow on my YouTube journey. So Fred Trevino's classes on creating a cinematic look has been more and more interesting, and this is one of the reasons you should click the link in the description immediately. One good thing about Skillshare is that the videos don't show any ads because it is designed specifically for learning, and it is less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. But you see, Skillshare is giving the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description a free trial of premium membership with full access to all the classes. So make sure to check the link in the description and also check my pinned comments. Now back to the video. Okay, let's talk about performance. On the spec sheet, my unit comes with a MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core CPU paired with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, 5000 mAh battery, XOS Dolphin 7.6, which is a custom skin on top of Android 11. Apart from some annoying bloatware and a cluttered user interface, I have to say that performance is very impressive. It is very fast and you can play high graphics demanding games at medium to high settings depending on the game. Browse the internet with ease without any hiccup. It can handle multiple background apps smoothly, and launching app is very impressive. The 90Hz refresh rate just makes everything buttery smooth. Throughout my usage for the entire 2 weeks plus, I haven't noticed any performance drop or lag. The only annoying thing about the user experience has to be the way some of the pre-installed apps pops up with notification left, right and center, and sometimes it can be intrusive. Other than that, there's absolutely nothing to complain about the performance on here. For Antutu and Geekbench scores, the Infinix Note 10 Pro did excellently well, and that goes to prove how good the performance is. Another area the Note 10 Pro excel at has to be the 5000 mAh battery it comes with. It can comfortably last for more than a day on a single charge if you're an average user. If you are someone that games a lot on your smartphone, the endurance rate isn't that great, especially when 90Hz is turned on. Another plus for the Note 10 Pro is the fact that it comes with a fast charger out of the box. The 33-watt charger took a little over 1 hour 35 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%, which is very impressive. Okay, now let's talk about the camera. The Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, a 2 megapixels sensor, and a 2 megapixels monochrome lens. On the front side, it comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The main camera captures outstanding photos, the resolve details is impressive, there's no weird noise in the images and everything comes out clean. Colors looks nice and dynamic range is decent too. I like how well exposed most of the images appears. Most images are processed by AI and the processing isn't too much. The photos had natural look with balanced processing. Image looks great, especially when the lighting condition is good. One thing that I noticed about its images is that it looks saturated on the phone display, but when you send the image to another device or a computer, it looks totally off. It's kind of obvious, but it's something to keep in mind. Portrait image is impressive as well with good edge detection. Details are present and colors looks nice. Selfie on the other hand is sharp and bright. It is very decent, though not as detailed as I might like it to be. However, dynamic range is good. On the video aspect, the Infinix Note 10 Pro can shoot in 4K with no video stabilization. The 4K footage looks good and sharp. Hey guys, first take up here. So this is a front-facing camera of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. I am currently shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. And from what I'm seeing here, the footage looks very okay. I like the skin tone. I like how sharp the image quality is. I like how sharp the video quality is. Dynamic range is keeping up as well, as you can see here. It looks okay. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me also know what you think about the microphone quality as well in the comment section below. Okay. The Infinix Note 10 Pro is an impressive device for the price. At 115,000 naira, the Note 10 Pro follows the same successful recipe Infinix has had for years with lots of improvement. It packs the best features your money can buy, with performance being one of the highlights. I like the 90Hz LCD screen. It is always smooth, bright enough and with great contrast. The camera is decent for the price. You can play games with a satisfactory performance and the battery life is amazing for an average user. However, one of its flaws lies heavily in the software. We have lots of pre-installed apps that pops up with some annoying notification with ads and can be very intrusive sometimes. Secondly, I would have preferred an AMOLED display considering what the competition is offering at this price point. Other than that, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is an amazing device. So that is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. And subscribe if you haven't already. And also check the link in the description for more useful information. Bye bye.